Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
Particularly the children's of today, they will be the scientists or the citizens. Future, you are going to face lot many problems, more disasters, more cyclones, more pandemic also we have, as I said, and that they say next one is also due, maybe very soon. We don't know what kind of virus it will be, because we are expanding, jungles are becoming shorter, places for them are less. So there is a word called genotics, the disease which comes from animals to human being. Because we are intermingling, we are disturbing each other. So we have to find out, be prepared for that, and that's where perhaps you have a very, very important role, and this particular program also has a very, very important role.
Please also do see that you all take students to, there are top CSIR laboratories in the state of Goa, NIO, NCPR, okay, IIT is there, NIT is there, our own Goa Department of Science and Technologies, waste management, top class facilities are there in North Goa, South Goa. It's the most important subject that the children should understand as to how to manage waste, how to reduce waste, recycle waste, and if at all you create waste, how to scientifically treat and dispose that waste. It's also important.